Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, tonight at 8 p.m., we're going to have our live chat, and it looks like we're going to be very, very busy during that live chat with showers and thunderstorms on the move. So I kind of already gave the little bit of the preview of what we're going to be talking about today, which is a stormy end to a very uncomfortable weather pattern. This morning, it is muggy out there once again with areas of low clouds and a few showers with a trough hanging around the area. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior and your suburbs, upper 70s to lower 80s in your urban areas with winds light and variable. When we take a look at the latest weather tap radar and surface map, we do have a few pesky showers hanging around the region, which is typical of this tropical weather pattern. But the main event is back off to the west with a cold front that is approaching the region with showers and thunderstorms. When we take a look at our latest infrared satellite picture, you can see this trough out here is called a positively tilted trough, and it slowly is going to push this cold front through the region. And as a result, we're going to have waves of showers and thunderstorms. Now, initially, these showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour, but that's about it. But by the time we get to this afternoon and evening, right around the evening rush hour through the late evening hours, we're going to be dealing with thunderstorms capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 55 miles per hour, hail, and possibly even an isolated tornado. I can't rule it out, so we're going to definitely have to keep an eye on that. Taking a look at the latest visible satellite picture, we do have some low clouds hanging around the region, but they are starting to break up. We have one shower that's passing through, but over the next couple of hours, we're going to see a lot of clearing and a lot of destabilization, and unfortunately, our hot and humid conditions will be taking hold, with temperatures rising through the 90s for most of the region and that heat index approaching 100 degrees. Take a look at our latest, should I say, this is our mesoscale guidance. This is the NAM model guidance. You could also use the HRR. They essentially show basically the same thing, waves of showers and thunderstorms. The HRR is a little bit more broken up. The NAM, which we have pictured here, has a more solid line. You can go either way on this. Both of them could actually evolve depending on the evolution of the interaction of the outflow boundaries with these thunderstorms. But any way you slice it, you're dealing with a very stormy evening on the way. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Hazy, hot, and humid, with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 90s in the Delaware River Valley, with a heat index pushing over 100 degrees. Stormy tonight with waves of showers and thunderstorms. These thunderstorms will be capable of frequent vivid lightning, heavy downpours, frequent, should I say, hail, wind gusts over 55 miles per hour, and possibly even an isolated tornado. Look for lows by tomorrow falling back into the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. The cooler air, really the drier air, falling us back to what we should be around this time of year, will gradually work their way in. So Thursday, you still have a few lingering showers. By the afternoon hours, we get clearing from northwest to southeast, with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley with not much in the way of a heat index. So that's certainly some great news. On Saturday, it's even better. High pressures in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. This is essentially the ballpark we should be in. And notice we also have much lower humidity, so the low temperatures are a bit lower too. On Sunday, scattered cloud cover will continue with low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, high pressure starts to give way with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, a warm front boundary is going to try to approach the region with periods of showers. Look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior and along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And finally, on Wednesday, a stalled out cold front will be hanging around the region while a warm front will try to push in from the Atlantic. That's going to lead to scattered showers around the region, rather unsettled conditions, with low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. That's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.